How to fix Instagram user not found. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix Instagram user not found. Now if you're trying to log into your account and it says the Instagram user not found, what you want to do is double check your username and password. Make sure you have typed in your username and password correctly, and if this doesn't help, if you have typed in everything correctly and it still says Instagram user not found, it might just be a bug or a glitch. So what you want to do is restart your phone. Simply click and hold on the power button on your device and you'll be able to find restart option. Simply restart your device. If still this doesn't help, what you want to do is check for server downtimes. Now sometimes Instagram server gets down due to high traffic to the server, so what you want to do is wait for a couple of hours, a couple of minutes, and then try logging in again. If this still doesn't help, now make sure you are logged into your proper internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is strong enough, and then what you want to do is you want to reset your app. To do so, simply scroll down the notification bar and head into settings icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then head into apps option by scrolling down below and head into apps and search in for Instagram here from the search bar. And once on Instagram, what you want to do is scroll down. If you are on iPhone, what you want to do is offload the app. If you are on Android, however, head into storage option and tap on clear data option. And once you do this, what you want to do is head back to Instagram and try logging in again, and this might help. So this way you can fix Instagram user not found. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.